How to set repeat on VLC Media Player. Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. If you want to repeat a video, song, or an entire playlist in VLC Media Player, then this video is exactly for you. VLC has a built-in repeat feature, but many users miss it because the icons are small and easy to overlook. In this tutorial, I'll show you where the repeat button is, what each repeat mode does, and how to use it correctly. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer, click Media, open File, and select the video or audio file you want to play. Let it start playing normally. You need media playing for the repeat button to work. Locate at the bottom left area of VLC Player near the playback controls. You'll see a repeat icon that looks like two arrows forming a loop. This is the repeat or loop button. The next thing that you gotta do is choose the repeat mode. Click the repeat button to cycle through the available modes. First is no repeat, that is default mode. Media plays once and then stops. Then we have is repeat all playlist loop. Click the repeat button once. The arrow turns blue. Repeat the entire playlist or media list. Then we have is repeat one, that is the single loop. Click the repeat button again. You'll see a small number 1 inside the arrows. That will repeat the current video or song continuously. Each click changes the repeat mode. Repeat works for both audio and video. Repeat settings apply only during the current session. If VLC restarts, repeat may reset. It works best when using playlist. This mode is perfect for looping music tracks, repeating study or workout videos, practicing dance or tutorial steps, background music or ambience. And that's it. That's how you set repeat on VLC Media Player the right way. Just remember, blue arrows means repeat all, with 1 means repeat 1. If this video helps you, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple and accurate VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.